put that die back. That die is awesome. Now, we are going to look at next. Another, remember, it's Christmas in July. It's all about the Christmas. We are going to look at this one. Let me get the packaging out. I like to show you me opening it because it's kind of fun, right? So, Holly, who was that? For Holiday Design says this is going to sell out before Craft Day. I hope not because, but it is gorgeous, isn't it? I know. They did order a lot of that one. So I think you're going to be okay. Just make sure you write down the item number and, keep an eye on it. Sometimes once you put it in your cart, that does not save it for you, but sometimes they'll send you an email saying, hey, this is going fast. Then that would kind of warn you that maybe you should buy it sooner than Craft Day. Just a heads up on that. Now, this one is called With Love at Christmas. And this is item number 931005. 931005. Teresa says she loves all the options on the foil tree. I mean, on the swirl tree. I know. Isn't it gorgeous? I need to cut one out of the foil because you get 10 pieces of foil too. Now, this one is called With Love at Christmas. It is an A2 card base. And what it looks like is this. Let's go to 3. Can you go to 3? So here we go. This is what it looks like. You get a lot of pieces with this one. So we cut it all. I mean, we show you here. So you get the main die itself, A2 card base. You're getting 2 different layering dies, and you're getting words. Now, I know the words don't look like anything like this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you all the cutouts. Because first of all, it makes awesome confetti with all those tree cutouts. But look at this. Look at this. So here we go. Look at that fun border all the way around. And we're going to fold it on the score line the die created for us. And all those trees line up perfectly, right? And then we have some layering dies. Lots of two different layering dies. One has dots all the way around and one just lays on there. So look, you can see this here. Look how gorgeous that is, right? Strawberries. Look at that. That's fun. And then you have, look at this, sending you Christmas cheer. Yes, of course, there is a border die. And I know on camera, you might not be able to see it very well, but the dot on the sending is a Christmas tree. It is not a dot. It is a Christmas tree because it's sending you Christmas cheer. Is that the cutest thing you ever saw in your life? Okay, just saying. Here's another one, With Love at Christmas. That's where the name came from, With Love at Christmas. Love it. And yeah, you're getting an A2 card base. Now, these A2 card bases are very, very popular because it's amazing. It cuts out the A2. Imagine back in the olden days, remember, we could cut this with our trimmer and score it with our scoring tool. And if we had a punch, we could punch each one all the way around, back and forth, and we'd mess up right about here. We'd have to start all over. But look, it's all done for you, all of those trees. Now, let's look at my samples because I'm telling you the samples really show you everything, right? So yes, you're getting those cute little pieces. You're also getting some epoxy sheets, and these are cute. So you are getting, I think it's 3 of these. You are getting, let's open them all up, 3 of these sheets. And Merry Christmas and lots of little trees. So these little trees match the little trees that are cut out, right? So cute. Now, let's look at these. Oh, velvet bow. There's a velvet bow. Look at how gorgeous that is, that tree all the way around. There's the layering die that comes with it. So beautiful. Here's another one. Oh, there's our velvet rib. Whoops. Oh, I got a bad screen. There it, hang on, guys. He's trying to find it on HSN, but okay. Here you have the velvet ribbon. Dun, 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 velvet ribbon. Look how gorgeous that is. With Love at Christmas, it comes with those words. Happy birthday, Jesus. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Happy birthday, Jesus. For unto us a child is born. Here's another one. It doesn't have to be Christmas, my friends. It doesn't have to be Christmas. Here we have Let's Wander. Isn't that cute for perfect Christmas? for a perfect, was that a shaker ornament on the front of the card? It most definitely, yes, it is. It's our, I was like trying to remember. Yes, it's one of our ornaments, our shaker card. I'm sorry, our shakers from a long time ago, but it is still available. It is a shaker. And yes, you can use the little trees that are around here all the way around. So yes, Nicole, you can definitely use it for confetti. There's proof right there, right? But look, it could be a camping one as well, which is really fun. So if you're going camping or you know somebody that likes to camp, perfect. Yes, Teresa, the design team is awesome. Also perfect for a winter card. Janine, you are right. Absolutely perfect for a camping card. This item number is 931005. 931005. Yeah. I wanted to make sure after I said all that. And that is what is it called? It is called the Stamps of Life with Love at Christmas because it comes with the words with love at Christmas. Perfect timing, right?